The topic for today is how to download and install AutoCAD 2026 with free activation. First, we will learn how to download AutoCAD officially from Autodesk.com. To download free AutoCAD software, search for Autodesk Student on Google. Click on Autodesk Education and Student Access. If you already have an Autodesk account, click on Sign In. If you don't have a student account in Autodesk, you can follow my previous video on how to create a student account, whose link is given below. Click on Sign In. Enter your login ID. Click Next. Enter your password. Click on Sign In and wait for the page to load. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Let's scroll down. Click on the Select tab below AutoCAD. After clicking, it will redirect you to Autodesk Educational Access. Let's scroll down. Click on Access Product. After clicking, it will redirect you to Products and Services. Let's scroll down in between page reloading. After clicking, you'll get different options. Select the AutoCAD version. Here, I'm selecting AutoCAD 2026. Click on System Type. Here only the 64-bit option is available. Click on Win64. Next, click on Language. As you can see, different types of languages are available. Here, I'm selecting English. Click on the side of the arrow. If you want direct installation, it may take a long time, depending on your internet speed. Here, we are going to install the software in offline mode. Click on Download. After clicking, it will start download preparation, and it will start the installer file download automatically. Click on Downloads. Here you can see the installer file download started automatically. Let's close the installer file notification and let's wait for the downloading completion. Next, click on the download file location. From the 2026 version onwards, you have to download the file through the installer file. So double-click on Create Installer. After clicking, it will start preparing for installer file creation. The total size of the AutoCAD installer is around 3.06 gigabytes. So this may take some time based on your internet speed. While downloading the software, let us know the system requirements for AutoCAD 2026. For entry-level system configuration, it required a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11, an Intel or AMD CPU with a multi-core processor. ARM processors are not supported. 8 GB of RAM and a 1920 by 1080 resolution conventional display. For more details, you may visit the Autodesk official site. A link is given below. So, as you can see, the software was downloaded in around 23 minutes. After a successful installer creation confirmation, a message will appear. In this window, there are two options: Open in Folder and Run Installer. Click on Open in Folder. Let's maximize the window. Here you can see all installer files downloaded successfully. Next, how to install AutoCAD and activate it free of cost is given in the next part of the video. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.